Every year, millions of people from every race, every language, and every nation walk in perfect circles around one building. No music, no leader, no command spoken aloud. So the question is, why do millions walk in circles around the Kaaba? Is it tradition or something far deeper? This sacred act is called Tawaf, and it takes place in Makkah, at the heart of Islam. But Tawaf is not just walking. It is a powerful symbol, one that connects the human soul to the universe itself. The Kaaba is not worshipped. Muslims worship Allah alone. The Kaaba is a spiritual center, a focal point that unites humanity in one direction. Why circles? Because everything in creation moves in circles. Planets orbit the sun. Electrons circle the nucleus. Even galaxies rotate. When pilgrims circle the Kaaba, they are declaring, "My life revolves around Allah." They move counterclockwise, keeping the heart closest to the Kaaba, symbolizing that faith must stay closest to the heart. There are no kings here, no rich or poor. Everyone wears the same simple clothing. Everyone moves together. It is the ultimate image of equality, humility, and unity. Tawaf is not just a ritual. It is a message to the world. When life feels chaotic, center yourself around what truly matters. That is why millions walk in circles around the Kaaba.